out, and the underground system is going to just charge automatically the amount. It depends on the itinerary you're going to come here to work. You have over and the offices inside of the building.
Well, friends, join us for a London adventure. Here we are,
And
just
here on the
headed
left
towards
side, we
the
see a
Tower
silver
of
on the left
London.
side, silver
And guess
dragon.
what? We watched something unbelievable. You have to watch this video till the end to see the Tower of London split apart. I was shocked. It was unbelievable. You gotta stay until the end of the video to see that.
Why is it called a tower?
What's the sun?
Burning down? You guys didn't like my pose? There's a flamingo!
Why do we need?
Why did we?
Okay, I don't understand. Oh, for the ship.
That they're not up to you with branded items